Hello, my beautiful children, smart children, intelligent children. I hope you all are ready to crack the NEET exam and boards exam with with highest and highest marks, right? I want toppers from this batch. Yes, we will achieve it. So welcome you all to the most important biology lesson on the important and beautiful platform of Avanti. So let us start. This is lecture number 2 on the topic evolution. So let's begin. In the last class, we had just learned about what? Little introduction of evolution. What exactly we are going to learn. What exactly we are going to learn. So Abhishek has watched the video on evolution. This is interest, okay? I had just mentioned that there is a video on National Geography channel. You can watch it. So Abhishek has watched it. This comes out of interest. And I can't force you. But if you learn, it is going to benefit you. Evolution is a chapter which requires little, videos and all. You can watch evolution. And there was a homework on human evolution. I remember some of you have messaged me, called me, and showed me, ma'am, this is what I have done. Okay? So that is required. That thing is required in you. Okay? So this is what we had learned. A quick recall. Yes, Pranav. You have this globe, this earth. On the crust, people are living. So what all we need to know is how universe got formed, then how earth got formed, and then life originated. How life originated. So this is all related to what? Evolution. This is what we are going to learn. Okay. So origin of universe. This also we had learned, right? That somewhere around 20 billion years ago, according to NCERT, we are taking this data as according to NCERT, that 20 billion years ago, origin of universe had happened, and there is a theory to explain it, and that theory is Big Bang theory. That theory is Big Bang theory. Wherever you are, speak with me. है ना? So what was that theory? Big Bang theory. Who proposed it? Abel Lemaitre. There is no need of remembering the name. It's fine if you don't remember the name. It's not there in NCERT. What you should remember is 20 billion years ago, Big Bang theory was given. What was it? It talks about a huge explosion, a huge single explosion. Which kind of explosion? It was thermonuclear expansion. It was thermonuclear expansion. Huge explosion. It was a huge explosion. Huge explosion. Okay. It was a huge explosion. What happened? Thermonuclear expansion. Matlab, too much heat was there. Nuclear, so many atoms, nucleus, molecules, they all got exploded. So when this happened, thermonuclear expansion, temperature was very, very, very high. It was very high. So when expansion happened, when the explosion happened, the area, they started to cover more because they got exploded, right? So from a smaller area, they became expanded in more area, right? Yes, right. Then the high temperature, when universe expanded because of the explosion, when universe expanded. So what happens if something expands? Let's say you have made any curry, veg curry or non-veg curry if you like. So what happens? If it is very hot, in a small container you have made it, huh? Very hot, very hot. Now from a small container, if you put it in a big vessel, what will happen? Temperature comes down. Very nice. Temperature comes down. Similarly, over here, what had happened? The high temperature, since universe was expanding, temperature started to decrease. Temperature started to decrease. Listen to the story. Expansion happened. The high temperature started to decrease. Where were we? We were here, right? That temperature started to decrease. When temperature started to decrease, so many things, rocks were there, so many things were there. Because of high temperature, everything was in gaseous stage, right? Because temperature was high. So what they observed was there were some gases like hydrogen, helium. Can you see it? There were some gases. Temperature was cooling down. So what happened? These gases got condensed. These gases got condensed. ठीक है? These gases got condensed. And what happened? Gravity was working. People say that gravity was working, temperature was going down. So these gases started to condense, and they formed so many galaxies. What do you mean by galaxies? Follow the order, okay? Follow the order. Kishan, you can message me separately on this. He's asking me about reduced syllabus. Last class I have already spoken about it, right? And still if you want, no, maybe some of you have this doubt. If I get, more than 20-30 doubts like this, I will arrange a separate session on this. Okay? Yes? Yes, just let me know on WhatsApp during the times which I have given you. Cool. Where we can discuss all the problems. Alright? Chalo. Haan. So I will share a Zoom link with you, separate Zoom link. You can come there and we can discuss all this. Whatever problems you are facing. Okay? Abhi class kar le? Yes? Chalo. So these gases, they formed what? Many galaxies. है ना? So many galaxies got formed. These gases got condensed. And these galaxies actually have what? The stars which you see, the clouds which you see, the dust which you see, all these were found in many galaxies. So many galaxies. Out of that galaxies, there was one called as Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy, which was, people say that which was formed around 4.5 billion years ago. NCERT data, please remember it. 4.5 billion years ago, this Milky Way galaxy was formed. Milky Way galaxy. In Hindi, we call it as Akash Ganga. है ना? आकाश गंगा. ठीक है? तो चलो स्टार्ट करें फिर. एक बार रिवाइज करो. What all happened? Universe expansion happened. Explosion, single explosion happened. Universe started to expand. Temperature started to cool down. The gases started to condense. That formed many galaxies having star, clouds of gases, dust and all. And in that there was one galaxy called as Milky Way galaxy. In Hindi we call it as Akash Ganga. And this had happened 4.5 billion years ago. है ना? So the images of Milky Way galaxy, something like this we get. Acha, in Kannada we call it as Halu Hadi. है ना? Halu Hadi. All right. So yeah, this is Akash Ganga. This is your Milky Way galaxy. You can see, थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है क्या? Small sun. You can see now. It is just representing that here sun is there. Okay. And here only in the Milky Way galaxy, the planet where you live, is found in which galaxy? The Earth planet where we live is found in which galaxy? Milky Way. बिल्कुल सही आंसर. Milky Way galaxy. Perfect. हाँ, शाबाश. चलो. अब NCERT, there are some lines in NCERT, ठीक है? When you read evolution chapter, you will come across these terms. Yeah, till here it is clear, no? That Earth is part of Milky Way galaxy. Earth is part of Milky Way galaxy. Now listen. NCERT lines I am telling you. All the theories which we learn, all are construed and conjectured stories. So difficult words they have used, right? All the stories which we learn about evolution, how all these things got formed, they are construed and conjectured stories. Matlab, they are interpreted and assumed story. What kind of story they are? We have interpreted it. We have assumed it. They are interpreted. Now it is easy, na? And assumed stories. We have assumed all these things. Hai na? Chalo. Obviously, with time we are getting proof. With time we are getting proofs. But obviously, when it all started, when all of these started, it was all interpretation. It was all assumption. Right? So this is the story of origin of life and evolution of life forms or biodiversity on planet Earth. So what story we are going to learn is story of origin of life and evolution of life forms. How from the life, when the life originated, how from that life we finally got this, hai na, human beings on the planet Earth. This is what we are going to learn in this chapter. Chalo, these all are NCERT lines, ठीक है? Stellar distances are measured in. Stellar distances matlab, let's say from here, I want to measure the distance between Earth and Sun. I want to measure the distance between Earth and what is that? Other planet, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Pluto. So how do you maintain? How do you measure that distance? That is called a stellar distance. Hai na? Distances measured between planet, distances measured in the space. All these are measured in light year. Haan, Ravi Kiran. It is measured in light years. Light years. The distance or the stellar distances are measured in light years. So one light year, yes Chandan, one light year is what? One light year is equal to what? The distance traveled by light. The distance traveled by light in 1 year. एक साल में, 1 year. The distance traveled by light in one second. The distance traveled by light in 1 second is how much, you know? 3 lakh kilometers. In 1 second, light can travel for up to 3 lakh kilometers. In 1 second, 3 lakh kilometers. In 1 second, light can travel 3 lakh kilometers. And in 1 year, it is around 10 trillion kilometers. Okay? So this is physics actually. When you have, I think it is there in first chapter, right? Light year and all those things. First chapter of physics. So they are not going to ask you this. You know, this is just general knowledge I am telling you. They will ask you this. That stellar distances are measured in what? Please remember this. It is measured in light year. Cool. Yes? Chalo. So where were we? We saw Milky Way galaxy. Haan Meghna. Milky Way galaxy. And then we saw Milky Way galaxy was having Earth. When did this get formed? Haan Shashwat. When did this get formed? 4.5 billion years ago. When did this get formed? 4.5 billion years ago, right? Now, formation of Earth. So obviously, what was the condition? Temperature was cooling down, but still temperature was very high. It was an explosion, right? So temperature was slowly cooling down, but still it was very high. It was cooling down, but still it was very, very high. Chalo. In early Earth, there was no atmosphere. Hana, when Earth was formed, there was no atmosphere. Slowly, what we had seen, all the gases were condensing, right? All the gases were condensing. So slowly we had observed carbon dioxide, methane. Please remember these. So many times this question has been asked. Carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, water vapor. Carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, water vapor. Carbon dioxide, ammonia, methane, water vapor. So sun was there, and through sun what were they receiving? UV rays. What were they receiving? UV rays. ठीक है? UV rays. So when they were receiving UV rays, the water vapor, temperature was high now. The water vapor that got broken down. ठीक है? Basically all of them were, getting broken down. And what you got? Water vapor gave you hydrogen and oxygen. What is this? Chemistry people, chemistry students. O, if I write only O, it is a free radical or not? Tell me. If I write only O, nascent oxygen, very good. Right? Yes. So O was there, and then methane, ammonia, all these things were there. Right? Chalo. Now what happened after this? Hydrogen is a gas, right? So hydrogen weight is very less, na? Hydrogen weight is very less. It is so light. Hawaii, right? It's very light. So what happens? The light things come down or go up. The light things, the gases which are light, very light, it will be coming down or it will be going up. It's light, na? So hydrogen which got formed, it escaped. Bhag gaya, daud gaya. It escaped. It ran away, है ना? Because it was light. Then what happens here? Oxygen, methane, ammonia. What they did? The oxygen, look at it very carefully. This oxygen slowly formed what? Ozone, right? We have ozone, right? At the top. Yes. So slowly ozone formation happened. Slowly. This carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, these all formed what? Same thing. Water, carbon dioxide and others. They were breaking down, they were making, they were breaking down, they were getting made. Breaking and making. So, when Earth got formed, there was no atmosphere. These all received the UV rays. When they received UV rays, they got broken down. Hydrogen, oxygen and all of it came. And hydrogen escaped because it was light. Hydrogen escaped. Other things, again they formed water, carbon dioxide and other compounds. But to make a note here is, what point we should make a note? That the primitive atmosphere, when Earth atmosphere started to get formed, the Purana atmosphere, the old atmosphere was what? Reducing or oxidizing? Look at it very carefully. Reducing or oxidizing? Think. Do you get to see O2 here? Can you see oxygen here, O2? Are you getting O2 here? अरे बाबा, थर्ड ने गलती कर दिया. उफ, सब गलत. Yes. So the primitive environment, primitive atmosphere was reducing in nature. Why reducing in nature? Because there was no O2. There was O, and this was making ozone. And all others were combining and forming water, carbon dioxide. You can see now, water, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, water vapor. Are you seeing O2 here? No. Very important point. The primitive atmosphere was reducing in nature. It was reducing in nature. Primitive atmosphere was reducing in nature. Ultra important point. Very important point. They also ask you what all things were present. Then you will see carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, water vapor. We never had O2, oxygen. We never had O2. Okay? That अथर जो आप बोल रहे हो सकता है, होगा, एक्चुअली वो होगा, धीरे धीरे होगा, बट तब नहीं हुआ था. दैट टाइम दैट डिड नॉट हैपन. ओके, ऑब्वियसली वो होगा, तभी तो ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा ना हमें, राइट? बट दैट टाइम दैट डिड नॉट हैपन व्हेन द अर्थ atmosphere started to form. In the beginning it was making ozone, and then the environment was reducing. Yes, we perfect. That's why the first organism which developed, what was the nature? Was it aerobic or was it anaerobic? Relate everything now. What you learned in biological classification, kingdom Monera, did you learn that? That the first living organism which was developed was a prokaryote. And that prokaryote was what? That prokaryote was anaerobic. It was chemoheterotrophic. सीखा था ना? अरे बाबा प्रणव, cyanobacteria is autotrophic, right? Yes, chalo, cool. So now you can relate things. So now what do you have, my dear children? You have ozone. Ozone is there or not? Yes or no? Ozone is there or not? Yes, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. What is the status of temperature? Check the status of temperature. Going down or rising high? Going down or going up? It is going down. Very good. Now think and tell me. If temperature is going down, water vapor is present. So what will happen to the water vapor if temperature starts to come down, come down, come down? What will happen to water vapor? It condenses, right? Very good. Now, if it condenses, you will get it in the form of vapor will get condensed into water. Very good. Amazing. Very good. So this water vapor will turn into what? Rain droplets. So many physics questions you have done now. Rainwater question you have done or not? Where you should put the umbrella, है ना? In which direction you should put the umbrella? At what angle you should put the umbrella? Right? Yes. So these rain. Earth was having so much of depressions, है ना? Earth was having so many depressions, and in the depressions, all water came inside. All water came inside. And when all water came inside, what happened? The formation of the formation of ocean. The formation of ocean. Got it? Yes. And this is how ocean got formed. Can you relate now? कि पहला जीवन कहाँ शुरू हुआ? Where the first life got originated? हाँ, Mariana Trench is the oldest and deepest one. पानी में. क्यों पानी में? Where? Why in water? Because first of all, ocean only got formed. अच्छा, एक बात बताऊं? What is there to maintain the osmotic concentration in your body? Remember kidney, excretory system, do you remember? Excretory system, Veer has answered. So in excretory system, what was that which was maintaining the osmolarity? What is that which maintains the osmolarity? Nephron does it. Very good. But what is that? Electrolytes. What is that? NaCl and urea. Do you remember? NaCl. It is a salt. And ocean में क्या मिलता है आपको? What do you get in ocean? जाओ taste करो, water taste करो. Taste the water of ocean. You will get salt. So that, confirms that we all have originated from water, and that is why हमारी body में, in our body, NaCl has what? All the power to maintain our osmolarity. Got it? Our main electrolyte is NaCl, dominancy. Naren. Cool. So chalo, this is how ocean got formed. Chalo. Can we all recall? जल्दी से recall कर लो इसको. Universe 20 billion years ago. क्या हुआ? Huge single explosion. What was that? Thermal nuclear expansion. आंखें बंद करो और सुनो जो मैं बोल रही हूँ. उसके बाद क्या हुआ बताओ? Temperature started to come down. तो जितने gases थे, hydrogen, helium, सब combine होके क्या बनाए? They made so many galaxies. Out of that galaxy, one is Milky Way galaxy, and Earth is part of it. Earth is part of Milky Way galaxy, and this was formed 4.5 billion years ago. When Earth got formed, again the temperature was going down, sun was there, UV rays, they started to act on, all the gases, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, water vapor. That broke down water vapor into hydrogen and free oxygen. Hydrogen was very light, it escaped, and oxygen made ozone. Temperature was still coming down, coming down. There were so many depressions in the earth. The water vapor, as a result of cooling down the temperature, the water vapor turned into water, liquid, and that came as rain, and that rain filled the depression, and that formed ocean. Is it clear? It should be clear. If anyone has listened to me, it should be clear. ठीक है? चलो. Now coming to some NCERT data, which we should always remember. Please see, evolution class, when I was learning for my NEET entrance exam and all, when I was getting the tuition and whatever coaching and all, that time evolution was having so many things. Evolution was having so many things. Now we don't have to learn anything extra than NCERT, but we have to understand NCERT. If you read evolution, I told you, biomolecules chapter, here and there information is given. Similarly, in evolution also, here and there information is given. We have to learn it in order. We have to learn it in order. Please understand only NCERT, read NCERT, make it in the sequence, and then keep revising it. Only that. And what I am teaching you, just follow that. ठीक है? Nothing else you require. कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए इसके अलावा. All right? तो चलो NCERT डेटा आगे आ जाओ. कौन बोलेगा? जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. यूनिवर्स कब बना? 20 billion years ago. फटाफट. अर्थ 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 अर्थ. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. 4.5. Very good. Life on earth. Life on earth. Yes. 4 billion years ago. ठीक है? First non-cellular form of life. First non-cellular form of life. Anyone knows it? 3 billion years ago. NCERT data I want. Very good. Theory of special creation. How many years old? How many years old? 4,000 years old. ठीक है? This is also NCERT data. So see the beauty here. All scientists, they are saying that 4 billion years ago life on earth originated. First non-cellular form, it was not even a complete cell. Non-cellular, that formed 3 billion years ago. And you see the theory of special creation, where we say that God created everything. What it says? That Arey, forget about this billion, billion, billion. Only 4,000 years old. Only in 4,000 years, we have made this earth and we have all these species. So can you see, it is 4,000 and it is talking about billion, billion, billion. The theory of special creation is that only in 4,000 years, we have made everything. Don't talk these rubbish things, okay? Billion years and all, we have had those things and all, right? So that's theory of special creation, which of course is completely wrong. But I can also not say everything because I have not done any experiment. Yeah, because it is special creation, right? We all know that there is some special power which is doing everything, right? So maybe it is possible. But in this chapter, we are going to learn that this is impossible. Hai, because all the scientists, they are, I told you na, we just want to know about evidences. Proof kya hai batao? What is the proof? The proof kya according pata chala hai. According to the proof, we have come to know about it that actually mein ye sab hua hai. It has happened actually. Okay, fossils and all, we have studied about fossils and all. ठीक है? हाँ, yes, Athar. So that is there. Okay, chalo. That's NCERT data. Is it clear? आगे बढ़े? Now, again, NCERT. Coming back to NCERT. Lines of NCERT. Please make a note that we live in past. In the first paragraph of NCERT, if you read it, you will get this. That we live in past. So beautiful story they have said. So beautiful story they have said that, you know, when you look at stars, hai na, people say, na, look at stars, so beautiful it looks, right? So when you look at stars, actually those stars that originated so many years ago, and now that small size you are able to see from here, small size you are able to see from here, you are able to see the light coming out of them, right? So that star and that light coming out of them, that has started to happen so many years ago, and now you are seeing it. So beautiful, right? Now you are seeing them. In night, when you see in the sky, open sky, give some time to these things, okay? Instead of, you know, chatting and blabbering and doing all those things, try to live with nature. Nature has a lot of beauty. है ना? Physics का topic है, हाँ. You should see them. देखो कितना beautiful सब कुछ है, right? So beautiful things are there in the sky. So we live actually in past, right? We live in past. Yes. Yes, that's right. बिल्कुल right है. Star is already dead. हाँ. Yes. So we live in past. We are seeing something which is not there. You know, we are seeing something which is not there. So we are living in past only, na? Which is presently not there. Which is present. Let's say I am not here and I am dead, and still you are seeing me talking. So how beautiful it would be, right? That I am dead and still you are seeing me talking. So you are living in past only, right? Right? Yes. So that is what is happening. That we are living in past. Okay. So considering the size of the universe, अगर आप universe के size को consider करते हो, if you consider the size of universe, Earth is a small छोटा सा dot, a tiny dot. So in NCERT it is given what? It is a speck, है ना? Speck मतलब tiny dot. All right, it is just like a tiny dot. So when you look at stars, you peep into the past. Basically, it wants to tell you this. Whenever we look at stars, we are peeping into the past. Peeping means, let's say there is a class going on, huh? Or there is an interview going on. let's say you all have reached to colleges, huh? MBBS college or wherever your fate takes you to, है ना? Any good place, but your friend is there in the interview hall, है ना? The interviewer is interviewing your friend. Next is your turn. So what is our tendency? Our tendency is to see, है ना, कि what is going on inside, what type of question he is asking, is he very dangerous man who is asking the question, and all these things. During the exam also it happens, right? You peep into the paper of your friends. Peeping matlab jhaakna, right? Jhaakna, peeping, seeing. You are hidden. You are hiding yourself and you are peeping. That is the meaning of peep. Okay? So these are your NCERT lines. I hope you understood it, right? Chalo. Now what we are going to learn? Pura theory we have in the mind. That universe, earth, now in the earth, water. Now in the water, what all things happen? That will tell us the origin of life. In water, what all happened? That will tell us the origin of life. Yes, Pranav. That will tell us the origin of life. So now we are taking a deep dive into learning the origin of life. ठीक है? So how life originated? Ocean is there in the mind ना? पानी बना लिया हमने. Ocean we have formed. Now in the ocean, what happened? Origin of life happened. So how origin of life happened in the ocean? That answer we are going to find out. So there are so many theories, ancient theories of origin of life. पुराने stories हैं. चलो पहला story सीखते हैं. Theory of special creation. Yes, Meghna. Theory of special creation. All right. So Meghna just wants to do scuba diving. ठीक है? How many of you have done it? Going into the sea and diving deep into the sea. Zindagi na milegi dobara, they have shown it, na? Acha, okay, Pranav. Prakriti wants to. Athar has done it. It's so dangerous, no? But it's very thrilling actually. Thrill is there, but I actually feel very scared doing it. I have this dare of water because I don't know how to swim. So that's why it's very dangerous. Chatra has done. Very nice. We have, strong people here. Okay. Yes, Athar. Yes. We dived into the bathtub. He dived into the bathtub. Yes, Meghna. We will do it. Yeah, once we will do. Chalo. So ancient theories of origin of life. हाँ ठीक है प्रकृति. The पहला theory is theory of special creation. So theory of special creation, as we know, it says that Earth formed 4,000 years. In 4,000 years, Earth got formed. है ना? It says that how you are now. है ना? Nose, eyes, you eat veg, non-veg. How you are now? Similar, exactly. You were there 4,000 years ago also. It says that whatever was there, no, same thing is repeating now also. That is the theory of special creation, which to some extent is wrong, right? Because we have proven this. So many proofs have come now. So it says that whatever species were existing before, there is no change in them. The same species are existing now also. History repeats. है ना? So that is what is special creation theory. Mythology and different religion, Hindu religion, Muslim religion, Christian religion, every religion had their own theory because they all worshipped different god, right? So since they were worshipping different god, their concept was different. They all said something. Like in Hindu, no need to remember it. Before we used to remember all these. but you just learn as a story, हाँ, कि what had happened. तो Hindu, people say that the first man, male, who appeared, है ना, out of nowhere, who came, was Manu. We had named him as Manu. And the first female, we have named her as Shraddha or Sharda, right? Sharda, I guess. Shraddha, Sharda, right? Manu and Sharda. Bible says that, matlab Christian Bible they have, right? So Bible, according to Bible, this earth formed in how many days, you know? Just Jadu, 6 days. In 6 days it has been formed, right? ठीक है? So in Bible they say that the first people to come were Adam and Eve. ठीक है? Adam and Eve. Yes, Vijay, that is the problem. How they born on earth? No one knows. It is special creation, na? They believe that God created. They say that God has created it. We have not done anything. That is the theory of special creation. God has done everything. Okay? Yes, someone has come. I don't know who was there. Okay. So that's that. Cool. So obviously it was not that efficient. So people started to follow different theory. And what was Tanya? 6 days means Bible, according to Bible, it is said that God has created the earth in 6 days. ठीक है तान्या? चलो, come to this cosmozoic theory. Cosmozoic theory, हाँ प्रणव. Yes, Chatra. Cosmozoic theory or panspermia theory or spore theory, है ना? Different names are there. Cosmozoic theory, theory of panspermia or spore theory. So what it says that, you know, from other planet, from other heavenly bodies, from other heavenly body, not earth. Earth has not done anything. From other heavenly planets, heavenly body, something came from there. Some spores came from there. है ना? They say that some spores came from there, and from that spore, life originated. From that spore, life originated. Okay, that is cosmozoic panspermia or spore theory. हाँ, ठीक है? That's cosmozoic theory. Got it? That from some other planet, any spore, it can be anything. People say alien came, any spore came, right? So we are learning it as a spore. Ki spores came from other heavenly body and that spore developed into life. Got it? Chalo. Now the third theory was what? Obviously these all were not supported. Going for the next theory. Theory of spontaneous generation. Theory of spontaneous generation. Theory of spontaneous generation. Spontaneous means what? Make it quick, make it fast, do it now, do it now. That is spontaneous, right? The moment I ask you a question, you are replying. है ना? So that is spontaneous behavior, rapid, very good, right? Theory of spontaneous generation. So what it says, it is also called as theory of abiogenesis. Theory of abiogenesis or autogenesis. मतलब no. Biogenesis मतलब abio means what? Living or non-living. Abio means what? Living or non-living. Abio, non-living, right? So what theory of spontaneous generation says? That from non-living things, spontaneously life originated. From non-living things, spontaneously life originated. What it says? That life originated from non-living things. Theory of spontaneous generation. Who was the greatest supporter of this theory? Helmont. Again, it's not important to remember the name because in NCERT this is not mentioned. Okay, but since we are learning the story, I'm just telling you, I'm just letting you know that Helmont had given this theory of abiogenesis or theory of spontaneous generation, that from non-living things, all of a sudden, living things originated. So obviously it was not making any sense. How come non-living things started to get life? How come non-living things started to get life? Then obviously people started to deny. No, this is wrong. Then what came? Theory of biogenesis. What came? Theory of biogenesis, which says that Rudolf Virchow, do you remember him? Rudolf Virchow, chapter Cell. What he had said? That the new organisms, new cells arise from pre-existing cell, omnicellular, acellular. Perfect, right? So theory of biogenesis is that only. It says that the new cells arise from the pre-existing cell. The living organism only gives the living organism, right? So there were so many people to disapprove a biogenesis theory. There were people like, Reddy, Splanzani. No need to remember them. Reddy, Splanzani. Not there in NCERT, but it is there. Pasteur, Louis Pasteur. Okay? So Pasteur, he proved it that the life originates from the pre-existing life. He said that the abiogenesis theory is wrong. He disapproved abiogenesis theory. He gave the theory of biogenesis. Actually, they were also involved, but according to NCERT, we are going to learn Louis Pasteur, who disapproved abiogenesis and gave biogenesis. So Pasteur had done some experiment called as swan neck flask experiment. Called as swan neck flask experiment. So something like this was his experiment. Swan neck, matlab neck was very thin, swan, like a swan. Swan neck experiment. So you know what he had done? Dead. When he took dead yeast and it was open. When he took dead yeast, it was open to the air. So what happened? What happened? He started to get, bacteria and all. He started to get living organism. But when he bent this, when he bent this, what happened? Here, dead yeast were there. When he bent it, what happened? There was no microorganism which was able to enter here. It was coming till here. There was no microorganism which was coming inside. So that told him that the dead yeast is never giving the living organism, right? It is coming from where? Outside, and the living organism is giving the living organism. It is never non-living things are giving living organism. So he had done this experiment, bottle neck, swan neck flask experiment. Swan neck flask experiment. Okay, Pasteur. So Pasteur, theory of biogenesis, actually what it follows, what Virchow had found it out. What it follows, what Rudolf Virchow has found it out. Same thing is theory of biogenesis. What it says? That living things have come from the pre-existing life. The new cells arise from the pre-existing life. Got it? Now, come to the final theory, and that is modern theory. Modern theory. So obviously it is modern, right? If it is modern, we will follow it. So what modern theory says? It has other name also. Chemical theory or Oparin-Haldane theory. Modern theory, chemical theory, Oparin-Haldane theory, which is the best theory in the market. अभी तक का best theory क्या है? Oparin-Haldane theory. Up to date, till now, what's the best theory? Oparin-Haldane theory. Oparin-Haldane theory. Got it? Chalo. So where were we? We were here. That ocean was formed. We wanted to know how life originated, right? So what was found out? That Earth 4.5 billion years ago. What was found out? That first life originated 4 billion years ago. How many years it took? What is the difference between 4.5 to 4 billion years ago? 1 billion. 1 billion is equal to how many million? 1 billion is equal to 1000 million? Yes or no? 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. So tell me, after Earth originated, how many million years it took to make first life? Half billion, right? So half billion will have, very good Adwar, 500 millions, 500 million years. So if you read NCERT, na, it is written there that it took 500 million years. After the origin of Earth, it took 500 million years to form first life. Getting it? Okay. So chalo. What it says that primitive life originated in water body. Makes sense because first of all ocean got formed. Fifth, primitive life originated in water body from non-living organic molecule. From non-living organic molecule. For example, RNA, protein. Listen to me very carefully. Do you remember? RNA, first genetic material. Do you remember this? So all these RNA protein, they all are chemicals, right? From these chemicals, what is the nature of these chemicals? RNA proteins? They are organic molecule. They are having carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, right? So they are organic molecule, but non-living. So these non-living organic molecule slowly formed life. So the primitive life originated in water body from non-living organic molecule, for example, RNA protein. So these RNA proteins are chemicals, right? That's why it is called as chemical evolution, chemical theory for origin of life. Chemical theory for origin of life. Primitive life originated in water body from non-living organic matter, from non-living organic molecule like RNA proteins. Got it? That's modern theory, chemical theory given by Oparin and Haldane. तो Oparin कहाँ के scientist थे? Oparin belong to which country? Oparin. हाँ, yes, Russia. And Haldane, England. This is NCERT, ठीक है? I am not talking from somewhere else. It is NCERT. Oparin was from Russia and Haldane from England. You know, Oparin had written a book. Now finally, Oparin gave these details in a book. That's why we came to know about it, right? So what was the book's name? 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 What are we learning? The Origin of Life. Okay. The Origin of Life. Got it? So, this was the concept given by Oparin and Haldane. Yes, Advait, that is why they gave the theory together, right? Okay. Oparin and Haldane. So, Oparin actually, in his book, he gave the details and the book's name was Origin of Life. Origin of Life. I hope you got how exactly life originated. So the first origin of life happened 4 billion years ago. ठीक है? Yes. Yes, yes. So this is how life originated. You know what we have learned up to now? We have learned only one page of NCERT. What we have learned? We have learned only one page of NCERT. Can you see how deep meaning is there? Yes. So evolution looks very small chapter, right? But no. I have not taught anything in so much detail. I have taught what is there in NCERT. But NCERT has given, very simple, complicated term they have given and then they have gone for the next topic. Okay? So that is all. This was the thing to understand. After this, all the things are easy. And if you have understood this, rest all the things you will get it. Taka, 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 taka. You will get it very nicely. Cool. So आपका homework है कि there was an experiment done by Miller. Page number 1 to 8. Page number 1 to 8. Page number 1 to 8. Read that Miller experiment properly. Page number 1 to 8, 1 to 7. Read that experiment. And till page number 128, you can read. Give it a read. Till page number 128, from the beginning of this chapter till page number 128, read it properly, understand it properly. Okay? And then I think we will be meeting next week. So before we meet next week, I want you to do that what I have asked you to do. Okay? Can you all do it? Yes? Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Surely. Chalo. So this is the time to wake up now, है ना? Don't be in that zone of comfortability and all those things. Give your best and get your best. है ना? Get what you deserve to get. Later on, you should not think, I was deserving that. I should have got that. That thinking shouldn't be there. Cool? Chalo. Bye everyone. Take care. God bless you.